Hey family friends, welcome back. Sorry for the long delay. I've been very busy taking care of some personal business. So let's go at it. Alright, today I'm gonna make the Belle. It's like the Long Island, but got a little more kick to it. It's the Detroit recipe. So let's get started. First I'll start off with the triple sec. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups, it's like 1 shot of liquor. Then I'll move down the line to my other recommended liquor. It's the Citron Bacardi. It's good. We got a little citrus taste to it. I like it. Next one up, I like to use Carnitos. Then you don't have to do it, but I do. I use watermelon Absolute. I like the taste of it. Some people like the regular one, but I like the watermelon or the lemon. Some gin. We'll get the sweet sour mix. And I'll add this part last. I'll tell you why in a minute. Shake it real good. And last of the liquor includes hypnotic. Oh, and one more last stuff, Sprite. This bad boy had a little more kick than Long Island.